How to view your watch history on TikTok. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can view your watch history on TikTok. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, straight into it. So first, open up the TikTok app and then click on your profile picture in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Then from here, click on the three lines in the top right hand corner of the screen, which brings up the next menu. Then click on Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down and somewhere around here there will be a watch history option. TikTok has released this feature, but not to everyone yet. And if you're like me, you won't be able to see it yet. But give it a check and see if you can. If you can't see that option, I'm going to show you one more way of finding your watch history. So go back to the home screen, and then click on the magnifying glass in the top right hand corner of the screen. Next, do a search for an asterisk. So just an asterisk and then hit on search. Once you've done a search for the asterisk, in the top right hand corner, click on those two lines with the dots in them, which is the filters tab. Click on that. And here, as you can see, the first option is to see your activity, watch videos within the last 7 days. So if you turn that one on and do another search again for the asterisk, you'll be able to see all of the videos that you've watched within the last 7 days. And that's what it takes to view your watch history on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.